I have a pet peeve. We are going to take these and try and see if we can sort this issue on the daily again. Can you see all these ingrained marks? These are like makeup. That are marked into it, and we're also getting some white kick marks. It's probably me, to be honest. Makeup, obviously not me. Kick marks. Makeup probably be my other half, or I'm not even sure what sort of rub off that is. So what we're going to do is we've got some Easy Carcane Hyper Concentrate APC. Or what was it called? Ultimate Hyper Concentrate APC. I've actually had that quite a while and never used it. So ignore what that says on the other side. 10:1 dilution ratio, just plain water. We'll rinse that afterwards with wash mist, Nippon Shine finest, and obviously we'll UV coat front with some 303. We're using a lovely soft brush. Just to see how we get on. So it should be a fairly short video. Let's get you set up and let's go. Just so you can see what I'm doing. I can't do anything about the wind, I'm afraid. I'm hoping the camera's not going to fall. And I am very aware this doesn't time with getting my Subaru done. But I've had both cars the same amount of time. I do 10 times the mileage in this. Literally, I check just 10 times. So let's see what happens with this. So this is actually from one of the other channels I follow. It may even be Joe's channel. I've watched someone do this recently where you can spray in and use a brush to agitate and get through the holes. You see where it's had some rain into it, so no time like the present. So what I don't want to do is I don't want it to dry. So I am just going to wipe it away as we go. Obviously, as always, a clean microfiber or clean area of microfiber if you've got good microfiber management. There goes folding my window switches. Pass that has taken it straight up. All the marks have gone from there. I'm just going to do the rest of the panel. You can see where it's been cleaned. I'm not scrubbing hard, it is just a very soft brush. Just to get it in and out everywhere. And because we're using a brush, we can get into the speaker hole, holder, just where the kick marks are. I can get my own leg out of the way. Bottom edge. Wow. That was so easy. I don't know why I've never done it before. Little bit gobsmacked. I didn't think. It's just such a low ratio. It's almost water. I mean, it is almost water. Ignore the Viper. It's not Viper. All bottom. But wow. Amazed. So I'm going to throw some wash mist on, because that's only the really dirty part. I'll put these away, come back. So just as a general oak panel, I'm going to wash, mist it, and then 303 whole dash. The smell of this is amazing. It really is. And it's just a spray on, wipe off. It will dry off anything and everything. Safety's everywhere, and I love it, honestly. I couldn't rate it enough. Get yourself over to Nippon Shine, not a paid placement. I need to order some more, and I also use their tyre shines, so we'll show you that soon on the channel. You'll see. That'll just dry out now. See where it's dried off perfectly on my handle? To the point of being ready to move on. So I'm going to do the rest of the car first, and I'll come back and pick you up for 303 application. I was going to 303 it, but I'm not. It is my daily. I love 303, but the finish is so good. I'm just going to leave it as it is. So I'm going to show you something else that you haven't seen on my channel. Glyco, however you want to call it again, from Nippon. Services clean and water repellent for car windows. I've realised in the 2,000 miles I've had this car, I haven't done the inside of the windows. Literally from the day I've had it, doing hundreds of miles at a time. And it is just spray on. And buff away. It is that simple. It is anti-smear. I use it inside and out on those cars that I have through. There's not much more to show you. So I'm going to have a quick finish up, and I'll just run through the interior. I'm not going to show you hoovering. Everyone knows how to hoover. It doesn't need a wet dry. I have got a car coming in to use the drill brush attachments, but I'll just give you some shots at the end. We're back. Done. For a relatively short video trying out a few new techniques, but so the only thing I haven't cleaned pedals because I need to go out in a minute, to be honest. But for a clean through of all the dash, as you can see, it's touchscreen. That gets filthy. Pedals is where I'd use 303. Dash clean isn't really up to it. So all the seat backs are wiped down, all door cards, all the inside glass. So yeah, thanks for joining me on this little one. If there's anything you want me to test, tips, obviously feel free to subscribe, comment, show your friends, anything you want to do. And we'll be back playing with this one later in the week.